Heron's formula for area of triangles. Here one example, triangle ABC, 3, 4, 5 centimeter size triangle. Here Heron formula is area of triangle A is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is the formula. S value is S equal to, call it as A, B, C. A plus B plus C divided by 2. S is equal to A. A is 3, B is 4, B is 5, C is 4 divided by 2. This equal to 3, 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6. Therefore, S equal to 6. And now, area of triangle A is equal to under root of S. S is 6. Bracket S minus A. S is 6 minus A. A is 3. And S minus B. S is 6. S minus B. B is 5. S minus C. S is 6 minus C is 4. Therefore, A equal to 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. Under root of 6 3 is 18. 18 1 is 18. 18 2 is 36. Therefore, area of triangle is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 centimeter square.